everyone! Here, I will make a video about 6 tenses. I want to explain the formulas and example. Enjoy watching! Okay, number 1, simple present tense. Simple present tense digunakan mengungkapkan fakta, menceritakan suatu kejadian atau kebiasaan yang terjadi di masa sekarang. Formula simple present tense: positive sentence, subject plus verb 1. Negative sentence, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. Interrogative sentence, do or does plus subject plus verb 1. Example, positive sentence, I study every day. Negative sentence, I do not study every day. Interrogative sentence, do you study every day? Number 2, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense digunakan untuk menceritakan kejadian yang sedang berlangsung sekarang ketika kamu berbicara. Tense ini juga bisa digunakan untuk menceritakan rencana di masa depan. Formula present continuous: positive S plus am is are plus verb ing. Negative S plus am is are plus not plus verb ing. Interrogative am is are plus subject plus verb ing. Example, positive sentence, I am studying now. Negative sentence, I am not studying now. Interrogative sentence, are you studying now? Number 3, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense digunakan untuk menceritakan suatu tindakan atau aksi yang sedang berjalan atau baru saja selesai. Tense ini cenderung memberi penekanan pada dampak dari suatu aksi yang sudah selesai dilakukan, di mana dampak tersebut harus masih bisa dirasakan sampai saat ini. Formula present perfect: positive, subject plus have has plus verb 3. Negative, subject plus have has plus not plus verb 3. Interrogative, have has plus subject plus verb 3. Example, positive sentence, I have finished my homework. Negative sentence, I have not finished my homework. Interrogative sentence, have you finished your homework? Number 4, present perfect continuous tense digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu aksi yang sudah selesai dilakukan pada suatu titik di masa lampau dan masih berlanjut sampai saat ini. Formula present perfect continuous: positive, subject plus have has plus been plus verb ing. Negative, subject plus have has plus not plus been plus verb ing. Interrogative, have has plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Example, positive sentence, she has been reading the book for 2 hours. Negative sentence, she has been reading the book for 2 hours. Interrogative sentence, has she been reading the book for 2 hours? Number 5, simple past tense. Simple past tense digunakan untuk menceritakan suatu kejadian, kebiasaan, fakta, atau situasi yang terjadi di masa lampau. Formula simple past: positive, subject plus verb 2. Negative, subject plus did plus not plus verb 1. Interrogative, did plus subject plus verb 1. Example, positive sentence, she read the book. Negative sentence, she did read the book. Interrogative sentence, did she read the book? Number 6, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense digunakan untuk menceritakan kejadian yang sedang terjadi di masa lampau. Formula past continuous: positive, subject plus was were plus verb ing. Negative, subject plus was were plus not plus verb ing. Interrogative, was were plus subject plus verb ing. Example, positive sentence, I was studying at 8 p.m. Negative sentence, I was studying at 8 p.m. Interrogative sentence, were you studying at 8 p.m.? Okay, number 7, Past perfect tense digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu kejadian yang terjadi sebelum waktu tertentu di masa lampau. Formula past perfect: positif subject plus had plus verb 3, negatif subject plus had plus not plus verb 3, interrogative had plus subject plus verb 3. Example: positive sentence: she had read the book before arriving. Negative sentence: she had the book before arriving. Interrogative sentence: had she read the book before arriving? Number 8. Past perfect continuous tense digunakan untuk menceritakan sesuatu yang terjadi di masa lalu dan sudah selesai pada titik waktu tertentu di masa lalu. Formula past perfect continuous: positif subject plus had plus been plus verb ing, negatif subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing, interrogative had plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Example: positive sentence: I had been studying for 2 hours before dinner. Negative sentence: I had not been studying for 2 hours before dinner. Interrogative sentence: I had you been studying for 2 hours before dinner? Number 9. Simple future tense digunakan untuk menceritakan suatu kejadian yang akan terjadi di masa yang akan datang. Formula simple future: positif subject plus will plus verb 1, negatif subject plus will plus not plus verb 1, interrogative will plus subject plus verb 1. Example: positive sentence: I will study tonight. Negative sentence: I will not study tonight. Interrogative sentence: will you study tonight? Number 10. Future continuous tense digunakan untuk menceritakan suatu kejadian yang pasti akan terjadi di masa depan atau dalam waktu dekat. Formula future continuous: positif subject plus will plus be plus verb ing, negatif subject plus will plus not plus be plus verb ing, interrogative will plus subject plus be plus verb ing. Example: positive sentence: I will be studying at 8 p.m. Negative sentence: I will not be studying at 8 p.m. Interrogative sentence: will you be studying at 8 p.m.? Number 11. Future perfect tense digunakan untuk mengungkapkan bahwa ada suatu aksi yang akan dilakukan dan diselesaikan pada waktu tertentu di masa depan. Formulanya: positif subject plus will plus have plus verb 3, negatif subject plus will plus not plus have plus verb 3, interrogative will plus subject plus have verb 3. Example: positive sentence: she will have read the book by tomorrow. Negative sentence: she won't have read the book by tomorrow. Interrogative sentence: will she have read the book by tomorrow? Number 12. Future perfect continuous tense digunakan untuk mengungkapkan suatu gambaran aksi yang akan berlanjut sampai titik waktu tertentu di masa depan. Formula future perfect continuous: positif subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing, negatif subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus verb ing, interrogative will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb ing. Example: positive sentence: I will have been studying for 2 hours by 8 p.m. Negative sentence: I will not have been studying for 2 hours by 9 p.m. Interrogative sentence: will you have been studying for 2 hours by 8 p.m.? Number 13. Simple past future tense atau simple future in the past digunakan untuk membentuk kalimat tentang masa depan dari sudut pandang masa lalu. Formula simple past future: positif subject plus word plus verb 1, negatif subject plus word plus not plus verb 1, interrogative word plus subject plus verb 1. Example: positive sentence: I would study that night. Negative sentence: I would not study that night. Interrogative sentence, would you study that night? Number 14. Past future continuous tense digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu peristiwa yang akan terjadi di masa lalu. Namun, peristiwa yang ada di cerita tersebut tidak dapat menjadi nyata karena satu dan lain hal yang terjadi di masa lalu. Formulanya positif. Subject plus word plus be plus verb ing. Negatif. Subject plus word plus not plus be plus verb ing. Interrogative. Word plus subject plus be plus verb ing. Example. Positive sentence, I would be studying at 8 p.m. Negative sentence, I would not be studying at 8 p.m. Interrogative sentence, would you be studying at 8 p.m.? Number 15. Past future perfect tense digunakan untuk menunjukkan sebuah kegiatan yang seharusnya sudah selesai di masa lalu. Formulanya positif, subject plus word plus have plus verb 3. Negatif, subject plus word plus not plus have plus verb 3. Interrogative, word plus subject plus have plus verb 3. Example, positive sentence, I would have finished my homework. Negative sentence, I would not have finished my homework. Interrogative sentence, would you have finished your homework? Number 16. Past future perfect continuous tense atau future perfect continuous in the past digunakan untuk menjelaskan tentang hal atau kegiatan yang akan, sedang, dan telah dilakukan di masa lalu. Formulanya positif, subject plus word plus have plus been plus verb ing. Negatif, subject plus word plus not plus have plus been plus verb ing. Interrogative, word plus subject plus have plus been plus verb ing. Example, positive sentence, I would have been studying for 2 hours. Negative sentence, I would not have been studying for 2 hours. Interrogative sentence, would you have been studying for 2 hours? That's my explanation. I hope it's useful. Thank you for watching.